create. So I'm going to cook some beef cubes. And this one they're going to be hot. They're going to have a lot of spice on it because I have a paste that I created a couple days ago using dry guajillo chile and arbol chile. And I also use the California chile to create this. Link in the description on how to make this. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this in pieces, smaller pieces, because I'm going to cook them and I'm going to put in a tortilla. So just cut them in small pieces, okay? You don't want big chunks, because those tortillas are small. So let me cook it. And this is at room temperature, this meat right now. And what I'm doing is, and actually when you have smaller pieces, it's going to cook quicker too. Do the same with the others. So I transferred the beef into a container. And I like to add, for this particular recipe, a little bit of oil. You can go extra virgin, you can go vegetable. Just a little bit. I'm actually going with this infused chipotle olive oil. But you don't have to use that. That's just me. And I like to add it first, a few drops, because I want the spices to stick to it. And I have about a teaspoon of smoked paprika, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, no garlic salt, but garlic powder, and about half a teaspoon of cumin. And I'm going to mix them up, and I'm going to add them. Also want to add some salt. This one is flaky salt, you can use any. Don't use the hard sea salt. If you use sea salt, go flaky. Kosher salt is perfect too. Then you're going to mix everything together. And the oil is keeping all the mix together too, by the way. Okay? Look at this baby. If you have some dry oregano, you can use some. Make sure you break it, pulverize it. You can do that with your fingers. See how easy? Mix it again. You can do this overnight, or you can do it right before you cook this baby, okay? Preheating a medium high, little pot. Going to put a few drops of the same oil, about a teaspoon, if that. And I'm going to add about a quarter of an onion. And I'm going to saute this onion. Ooh, smells good, huh? You don't go crazy. About a minute, okay? Do for about a minute. You can add some chopped garlic now, but what I'm going to do, I have some garlic paste that I created the other day. And I preserve pure garlic. I'm going to add it. Link in the description for the garlic paste, but you can use regular garlic. Oh, it's melting. Woohoo! Going to add the meat. And I'm going to mix everything up. Do this for about a minute. About a minute or two later, what this heat does is start breaking the protein, flavor start expanding, absorbing. And make sure this is at room temperature, this meat. If you have it overnight, leave it outside for 30 minutes because it cooks more evenly when it's at room temperature. Time to add the liquid. I'm using vegetable stock. You can use water. Look at this beauty. And I'm going to let this baby cook. I'm going to let it simmer. So it's a high heat now, okay? Now that it's simmering, what I'm going to do is reduce the heat. What I'm doing here, I'm taking some of the fat out, by the way. You don't have to. Things have a way of cleaning themselves. Let me reduce the heat to medium. You can even go medium low, a couple notches below medium. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get my paste. This is how I'm going to do it. Got a strainer. Going to put the paste there. That was to ensure if I have any seeds or any chunk that escape. So having this way ensure the thing is manageable. This is very easy. See how it's going to the other side. Adding that character. Oh. See how it turned that nice looking color. You're going to let it cook, okay? About 22 minutes later, I'm going to add some cilantro, which I cut. I'm going to add some habanero peppers, which I slice. And I'm going to let this go for another 5 minutes, okay? 5 more minutes. So I got some of my tortillas here. Going to heat them up a little bit. Love this cast iron. This is about, it's an antique. Heat it up for a few seconds, then flip and do the same on the other side. That's simple, okay? 5 minutes later, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Is that beautiful?